So, a couple of months ago, a friend of mine from work, Padmini, reached out and she told me that her friends Pritika and Sampath would be getting married soon. And she wanted me to help her build a wedding gift for them. She had seen some of the mathematical art projects that I had done prior, wedding gifts that I've built before. And she asked me if we could do something creative for these two very close friends of hers. And I thought about it for a bit, and there'd been a project that I wanted to do for quite some time now. This sitting on the back burner. I wanted to create a composite image using Rubik's cubes. Solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's cubes with the 6 colors of the faces, and create a large collage of Rubik's cubes. And that's something I really wanted to dive into. But we did some preliminary math on cost estimates, and we found out that it would be way too expensive and be way too heavy. Like those many Rubik's cubes, I don't know how you're gonna hang that up on a wall. Maybe I'll figure it out for a later project, but not this one. So we shelved that idea, and I kept thinking. But Padmini came back to me in a couple of days and said, "What if instead of using Rubik's cubes, we used pushpins? Thumbtacks, like these things. We have 6 composite colors, plenty to play with, and it's the same basic idea." And I thought that was great. Like we could make that work. So I started doing some preliminary math on how I could convert any image containing the full color spectrum and composite it down, like average colors out, to make a decent-ish guess, and a composite image that would from afar blend the colors well enough together to make it look convincing. But as I was researching this problem, I realized that other people have done it before. And there's this pretty decent article online, which I'll leave a link to in the description, that shows that Photoshop already has the functionality to do everything that I was planning to do, and someone else has already figured out how to use it to their advantage to do this. So I'll leave an article in the description below to point you to how to do this if you'd like to try this out for yourself. But other than that, have fun watching.
Woke up cold one Tuesday. I'm looking tired and feeling quite sick. I felt like there was something missing in my day-to-day life. So I quickly opened the wardrobe, pulled out some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it off with a pair of old shoes that were ripped around the seams. And I thought, these shoes just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time, slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine. And I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes. Woke up late one Thursday, and I'm seeing stars as I'm rubbing my eyes. And I felt like there were 2 days missing as I focused on the time. Then I made my way to the kitchen, but I had to stop from the shock of what I found. A room full of all of my friends, all dancing round and round. And I thought, hello new shoes, bye bye blues. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time, slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine. And I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes. Take me wandering through these streets where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone they take me on, I'm walking till the break of dawn. Take me wandering through these streets where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone they take me on, I'm walking till the break of dawn. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything is right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time, slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine. And I'm running 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, very much good. I want Sampath and Pritika here both for this.
Wow!
Quickly.
Unveil the thing.
Yes. Unveil it together, please. It's also your wedding present. Whoa.
Go for it.
2, 2, 1.
Wow!
Nice.
Oh, you did it?
That's
Yes.
so. Put it on this one. Put it on this one.
Amazing.
Put it on this
Put it on
futon.
this one.
No, put it on this futon. It won't.
Wait, we need to look at it.
Look at it from
Wow.
afar.
Wait.
You have to go really far.
We
see
So
it?
beautiful.
Oh my god. Damn proud of you.
Thanks, Maharaj. This is like amazing. Hey, Sampath's gonna cry.
The photo it will look better, no?
Yeah, uncle. In the camera, it's looking much better.
Oh, that is amazing. How did you make this?
Unfair.
It's nine. It has
Whoa.
it's 9,000 pins.
Wow.
Whoa.
How long did you take to make this?
About 18 hours. Like 3 hours a day, 6 days. The last
Oh.
week.
This is amazing.
I'm not.
PD,
worthy
you're
of
a very
this.
creative girl.
I had a friend help me, so it's not all me. Yeah.
Shit. Were you trying to take a time out? Time out?
Yes.
Whoa.
Who's that?
I'm glad you liked it.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
This is beautiful.